Hello there. Well, overall, it's a fairly decent Thursday for many of us. The rain from this morning has now cleared out of the way, and you can see in the satellite and radar from earlier, well, still the chance of the odd shower across the north and the west, but for most of us, for the rest of today, it's dry, bright, some lovely spells of sunshine, and feeling warm up there today too for the time of year. Highs up to around 19 degrees. 19 is 66 in Fahrenheit. Then it does stay quiet as we move through this evening and tonight, but with the clear skies, we will see some fairly dense mist and fog patches forming, especially across more central and southern parts. And then by the end of the night, you can see this rain just starting to fringe its way into the far west. That's going to track its way a little bit further eastwards as we go through tomorrow, bringing some outbreaks of rain across some western and northern parts as we move through the afternoon. But ahead of it, largely dry, bright or sunny spells. And once again, our temperatures remaining above average for the time of year. Highs this time up to around 16 or 17 degrees. I'll see you a bit later on. Bye-bye. Hello and a very good evening to you. Hope you're all keeping well. So quite a changeable setup with the weather as we go through the next few days. So there will be some dry and bright spells around at times, but you can see we've got low pressure in charge of things, driving various weather systems towards us, bringing some outbreaks of rain and blustery winds, especially this one here on Sunday. Many of us will be seeing some heavy rain in places and some very strong winds too. It certainly is one to keep a close eye on. In the meantime, though, for the rest of tonight, well, it does stay quiet as we move through the small hours, dry with clear skies out there. We do have some dense mist and fog, especially across central and eastern parts, and that will be lingering as we move into tomorrow morning. So certainly will be a grotty old start to the day with some mist and some fog across central and southern parts, but then that will lift and we'll see some bright or sunny spells developing. But you can see here out towards the west, this front will be bringing some outbreaks of rain and blustery winds too, but ahead of it staying bright and temperatures remaining above average for the time of year.